Dot, what it do? JG Gang, man. It's your boy Jody, and I'm back with another video, man. This gonna be my reaction video to DDG. Big Boat is really a Lil Yachty diss track, and this is my first reaction video. So I want you guys to subscribe to my channel because I will be doing pranks, I will be doing vlogs, and I will be doing reaction videos, and I'll be telling y'all about me and stuff, how I became a YouTuber and stuff like that. They say this song lit though. I ain't gonna stunt. They say it's lit, but don't remember, subscribe to my channel. I ain't gonna talk y'all ears off. But without further ado, let's get to the video. Ready? I'm sure, man. Ready, set, let's get it.
SKT, DDG, that's always.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT.
Hey.
Boy, quit playing, you know you a fan of me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
He got bars so far. Them bars.
Fuck yeah.
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm
This is TK.
This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button.
Whoa! Pause the video. That man is said, this me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. So if you think about it, Joe Button has something to do with the Migos on the BT Awards. You know how Joe Button disrespected the Migos, talking about he put down a microphone and said he was doing and stuff. Yeah, they got into it and stuff like that. So Joe Button was talking about Migos, but let's get back to it, man.
Don't report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay.
Hey,
about your album, I have nothing to say.
He do make a lot of money. He really do make a lot of money. He do what he needs to do to make a lot of money. Like he put all ads on his videos, like ad after ad after ad, like making money. Yep, making that bread.
Fans take a nigga base. You don't know me, you gon' know me today. Harley.
Hey.
Your album, sorry.
Hey, if y'all listen to the background, they were like, that S was at, that stuff was butt. Dude, funny as a mug. DDG is one of the best dissers on YouTube.
Bitch, I'm gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the buffies are my cardies. Run a nigga out his motherfucking socks.
Hey.
You only poppin' because sis say like
True.
You don't know me, why you boosting, you should stop. You hella ugly and your head built like a...
Alright, for y'all who don't know who Sensei LaFox is really, he's like Lil Yachty friend, or something like that. And they was at a party or something. They was in his room in his dorm, and he was making a video, and Lil Yachty's song was on. And that's how Lil Yachty got discovered. But let's go.
Mom, your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego. Tip for album, but you know it should be Frito. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT.
It should be Frito.
You know you a fan of me.
Songs on there.
Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
What?
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma feature Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a vid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say.
Hey,
take a nigga fast, take a nigga face. You don't know me, you gon' know me today.
Hey, this song was hard. Hey, I'm rapping, I'm tapping. Let me stop playing with y'all.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, well. Now that music video, that was a cold music video. I ain't gonna stunt. He was hype. That's what really made it, like, how he was acting. You know how some people, when they rap, they be up there all slow and stuff. Now he really been into the music. He was into the music, I should tell. But it's a good video, and I want y'all to like it up. Hit that like, thumbs up button. Subscribe, press that subscribe button if y'all like this video, and then I'll come back with something harder, you know. I will be doing pranks and daily vlogs. I'm sorry for how I'm talking, I'm sick. But I want to subscribe to my channel, and I would do gameplay, like walkthroughs on how to play games and stuff, like, you know, for all people who play the games and stuff like that. But I'm gonna get off of it, for all my gang games out there, I want to say gang. And I'll be going in a minute. Alright, man.